Welcome to the new lesson. So, the two tools that we're going to use, just like I mentioned in the last lesson, are ChatGPT and Google Bard. One is ChatGPT, and the second one is Bard. Google Bard. Alright? Now, creating an account on both platforms is extremely simple. For ChatGPT, just go to Google and search for ChatGPT. Simple. Open Google, type ChatGPT, and click search. You'll see the ChatGPT website appear. Now, in my case, I already have an account, so it opens directly to the dashboard. But for you, it will show an option to create an account. Simply click on Create Account and sign up. The process is very easy. Now for Google Bard. It's exactly the same. Just search for Google Bard on Google. You'll see the Bard website appear. Click on it, log in, and you can start using Google Bard immediately. Alright? So these are the two tools we're going to use throughout this course. Now let's understand what exactly we're going to learn. Alright? Here we go. The first thing we'll learn is ad copywriting. A lot of people struggle with writing ad copy. Whenever they run ads, they don't know what to write, how to structure the copy, or how to make people click. So, we'll learn how to write effective ad copy using AI. The second thing we'll learn is ad headlines. We'll learn how to create attention-grabbing headlines for advertisements. The third thing we'll learn is video script writing. Whenever we create videos, we need scripts. We need to know what to say, how to say it, and how to keep viewers engaged. So we'll learn how to create video scripts using ChatGPT and Bard. The fourth thing we'll learn is landing page headlines. We'll learn how to create powerful headlines for landing pages. And after that, we'll also learn how to write the complete landing page content. Then comes email writing. We'll learn how to write emails using ChatGPT and Google Bard. Then we'll learn keyword research, especially for SEO purposes. You'll learn how to find keywords using AI tools. And finally, we'll learn Facebook ads audience research. A lot of people struggle with audience research. They don't know how to find the right audience for their ads. But with ChatGPT, audience research becomes incredibly easy. You'll literally be able to do it in just a few minutes. Alright? So these are the 8 major things we're going to learn inside this course. Step by step. Slowly and clearly. Some videos may be short. Some may be slightly longer. But most of the lessons will stay short and practical. Because this course is focused more on implementation than unnecessary long explanations. Alright? So that's it for this lesson. In the next lesson, we're going to start learning ad copywriting. And once again, creating accounts is very simple. Just search for ChatGPT or Google Bard on Google. Sign up, log in, and you're ready to start. Alright? Pretty simple. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you so much. This is NextScale Media.